Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing and a spoiler for you in today's video. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of December. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. I do a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of December. It is Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. This is their reformulated one, and I do love the reformulations that they've done. Blending is a dream with these. This is what the palette looks like. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter this one. My giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Someone in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Violet Voss Violet Sunset palette. Looks like this. It's really pretty. I kind of have these purplish shades, so kind of these three shades right in here on my eyes today. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription. It's makeup, it's skincare, that sort of type of vibes. Their glam bag is $13 a month. You get a makeup bag, and then there are mainly deluxe size samples. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size in that version of their subscription. I do have a code for Ipsy. If you're interested in checking them out, it'll save you a little bit of money. It saves me some extra money on any extra add-ons that I want to do. That code is just for your convenience. Obviously, no obligation to do so, but if you do, I thank you. So let's open her up. It comes with this cute little bag. Most of the products are in here. There is one item that would not fit in here. There's some dinky products in this one. There's two that are kind of normal size, but there's some smaller products in here. And then this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It does have the pull tab here that does say Ipsy. So it does say about this one, sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This smooth, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks, gets your skin glowing, and share the light inside and out with ones you love. So the first item in here is from First Aid Beauty. It is Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. This exfoliating rich facial it's formulated with a blend of 16 anti-botanicals, including cannabis sativa seed oil, which is rich in omega and fatty acids, and colloidal oatmeal to help calm, smooth, and relieve dry, reactive skin. I did have to go and grab the glasses. This font is a little tiny. So much better. So tip, place a few drops on the finger and gently press and smooth all over the skin. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $34. I don't do a whole lot of oils on my face, and my face isn't really reactive to much. So I'll probably save this either for this giveaway or a future one. The item that I did pick is from Ariza Beauty. This is one palette equals 4 epic shades for an infinite eye looks. These ultra buildables blend on like a dream thanks to the soft clay and rich mineral pigments, and then mix of shimmer and matte shades are perfect for all your holiday winter makeup looks. Tip, apply alone or mix and match them to create your own custom glowy eye look. This is full size. It does retail for $20. It is completely sealed, and I am putting this in a giveaway that I have coming up, so I don't want to unseal it. Obviously you can see from the pictures it's got kind of a purplish tone to it. Looks really pretty. From Oprah Cosmetics is the Fresh Blush and Chameleon. A peachy pink blush never goes out of style, and this gorgeous shade delivers just the right amount of color to warm up your complexion in an instant. We love baked blushes for their staying powder, and this one goes on super smooth, it never looks cakey, and lasts all day. Tip, swirl the blush onto the apples of your cheeks and blend towards your ears. For my face, I always put my blush up here. It just kind of gives that more of a lifting look to it. But this is a really, really pretty shade. We do have from Maplin, the Bouncing Toner. If you're in need of a refresh, this pore refining toner gently clarifies and evens the skin without, so the card here says, clarifies and evens the skin without away moisture, maybe without taking away moisture, I'm assuming. Formulated to balance and energize skin daily, it's great for both oily or dry skin types. It's made with AHA and BHAs to gently and deeply cleanse the pores. Never use a toner for cleansing your pores. Use your cleansers for that. Tip, once a day after cleaning, use on a cotton pad or gently wipe away toner all over your face. I love using the reusable pads especially for toners. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $35. So the last two items are masks from the Cream Shop. We do have 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely and Baby It's Gold Outside Sheet Mask Duo. For days or nights when your skin needs a quick pick-me-up, these sheet masks are the answer. Pop on the watermelon and kombucha mask for hydrating and brightening benefits, and the coconut and chia mask for times when your complexion craves calmness and nourishment. Tip, squeeze remaining essence from the pouch and massage over your neck and décolletage. They do retail for $3 per mask. So they are both limited edition. Let's give away both of these to one winner as our giveaway in today's video. So what do you guys think? I thought it was okay. I mean, there's some dinky little things in here. Eyeshadow palette I thought was cool. The Oprah blush I thought was good. And I'm happy to give these away to one of you. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. If you do mark on the Google form that you did do the bonus entries, make sure that you did do so because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. Secret word, mask. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through January 14th, then January 19th we'll do a video where everybody sees us picking the winners for the previous month. So we'll do that on January 19th, and that's when the giveaway winners will all be announced. So what I do is I take from the Google form link your first name, first initial of your last name, and if you did do those bonus entries and I verify them, I'll put them into my computer. The computer does this kind of spin the wheel thing and it picks the winner, so don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here, drama-free. Everybody's really supportive of one another, and I'm really proud of the culture that we've kind of cultivated they did here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, you guys. Take care of yourself, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.